Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. All right, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Fuel leaks. When the engine heats up, part of the fuel system may expand, which could aggravate an existing leak. If there is a fuel leak near the hot engine, it could cause starting problems due to excess fuel or gasoline vapor. Ignition system problems. Heat can affect the operation of components such as ignition coils and spark plug wires. If any of these components are damaged or worn, it can cause ignition problems when the engine is hot. Sensor failure. Some engine sensors, such as the coolant temperature sensor or crankshaft position sensor, may stop working properly when they become hot. This can cause the engine to not receive the proper amount of fuel or spark to start properly. Why the car won't start when it gets hot. Other reasons why your car won't start when it gets hot. Why the car won't start when it gets hot. These are just a few possible causes of why a car may have difficulty starting when hot. It is important to perform a complete vehicle diagnosis to identify the exact cause of the problem and make the necessary repairs. If you are unsure how to address the problem, I would recommend consulting with a qualified mechanic for assistance. Tips to keep you warm without heat while driving. Why your car engine overheats. The most common causes. 4 of the best gas stabilizers on the market today. What temperature should the engine oil be at to change it? Carburetor engine. Why does the car engine overheat? In conclusion, if your car won't start when it gets hot, it could be due to several factors, including vapor lock, a failing starter, motor, or issues with the ignition system. Understanding these potential problems can help you diagnose the issue more effectively. Regular maintenance and being aware of your vehicle's performance can prevent these frustrating situations. If you encounter this problem, consider consulting a professional mechanic to ensure your car is in optimal condition. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.